Hey people, welcome back to Wealth Guide. The internet provides many options for easy earning. If you know where to properly invest, you can make quick money, and this can sometimes even turn into a steady inflow of cash. There are a variety of jobs that you can do online, ranging from selling goods and brands to services. Even if you're not particularly skilled at anything, you can still find opportunities for online jobs. Although they may take some time to pay out, most of these jobs are very secure and guarantee income. In today's video, we'll be discussing the ultimate top legit ways to make money online. Do watch to the very end, you don't want to miss even a single step. Number 10. Sell photos online. Selling photos online is a great way to make money for both professional and amateur photographers. Websites like Shutterstock and iStockPhoto allow you to sell your photographs as stock images. This can be a low-effort way to earn some extra income. In fact, it will be a passive type of income, which means it also won't take much maintenance. This can be a fun way to earn money, and you can really get creative. One drawback is that there are tons of other stock photos out there, so you really need to think outside of the box in order to stick it out. But the possibilities are still endless. Stock photos are always in demand. You don't need expensive gear for this job. In fact, you can even just use your smartphone's camera. Just snap some images and sell them online. Find out what is in demand and what some popular images are. Try to take those and make them extra creative. This will be a sure way to have your stock images purchased. Number 9. Sell audiobooks with Audible. Audible is a popular audiobook website. Nowadays, audiobooks are becoming popular. One way to get on board with this is to create an ebook and then turn it into an audiobook to sell on Audible. It is quite simple and you only need the tools you already have. This is a great way to earn for those who love to write. You can also make double earnings by selling both the ebook and the audiobook. Using two platforms such as Kindle and Audible will help get the cash flowing. In order to make big bucks, figure out a way to advertise your product. This may involve a bit of investments into ads on sites like Facebook, but the profit could be worth it. Try it out today and you may have a steady passive income on your hands. Number 8. Rent out your home on Airbnb. Airbnb is a popular site for travelers. This site hosts many homes for rent, and the varieties make it an endless opportunity for those looking to make money off properties. Whether you have a vacation home or just an extra room, you can rent out an Airbnb. This reputable site gives you the option to rent out your entire home, rent out a room, or even a unique space such as a camper van. This makes it flexible for people renting out spaces. The website has millions of users from around the world, so cash flow can be huge. Consider starting out small, then working your way up. Maybe rent out a room, then invest in more property. This site is a great tool for those who invest in properties, and it doesn't have to be difficult. Plus, it can all be managed online from the comfort of your own home. Number 7. Mechanical Turk. Mechanical Turk is a program by Amazon that uses a modern format of micro jobs. The program allows users to get paid for simple jobs. It is also a great way for companies to get work done in a quick and easy way. They call this HITs, or Human Intelligence Tasks. These jobs are simple and range from reading phrases using a microphone to data entry. The pay isn't big, but do it enough and it will really add up. This is also a great way to earn cash if you need it fast. So, this job may be a bit time consuming, but it is also flexible and allows you to work for as long as you'd like while making cash the entire time. It isn't ideal if you want to get rich, but if you need a boost while saving up for something, this will really help. Number 6. Freelancing. Freelancing is becoming more and more popular. People with certain skills are ditching the workplace and taking to the internet to find jobs and gigs independently. There are plenty of websites like Fiverr and Upwork that are available for freelancers, so let's check them out. Fiverr is a great place to set up your own personal gigs. You can create something such as logo designing, voice acting, financial advising, and many more types of gigs. You need a good description, then you wait for orders. You can also take personal buyer requests, and this will help get you even more clients. The more clients you get, the more reviews you get, and this helps you to build up a profile and advance as a seller. This means you can start bumping up your prices. Upwork is another great freelance website. This site uses experience points that allow you to send in an offer for job postings. There are plenty of people looking for freelancers on this site, so landing a job may not take too long. Once you land a job, you gain more experience points and you can apply for more work. Overall, these websites are great legit tools for freelancers and can even help to earn a steady monthly income. Number 5. Answer professional questions.
Many people that look for jobs online have a specialized skill they want to exploit for earnings. If you are a professional in a certain field, you may be able to answer questions from people looking for expertise through websites like Just Answer and Live Person. These websites set you up with someone that needs help in a certain field. They will be asking professional questions, so make sure you are ready to answer correctly. If you provide correct information, you can earn some cash on the side. This is a great tool to earn a bit of money while helping others. The amount you earn is dependent on the field you work in, so it can range from a lot of money to just a little bit of money. Regardless, this can help as another source of quick cash.
Number 4.
YouTube. YouTube is a popular website that gathers up billions of views regularly. If you play your cards right, you can take advantage of this and become a YouTuber that earns a ton of money. There are a few ways to do this, so let's take a look at how you can earn through YouTube. Ads are one way to monetize your videos. If you have a certain number of views and subscribers, you can qualify for ads on your videos. This will help you to earn a bit of cash while people view your videos, and the more the better. Sponsorships are another great way to earn. In fact, this may be more lucrative than ads. A sponsorship is when a company reaches out to you to sponsor their product or service. You may be familiar with YouTubers advertising companies like NordVPN and Audible. These sponsorship deals can help YouTubers earn a living or at least a decent side income.
Number 3.
Email marketing. Email marketing is something a lot of people may already be familiar with, even if they don't know it by name. Have you ever received an email for a product? That was done via email marketing. This can be a great online job for those that are serious about earning money online. There are certain ways that this job has to be done. You will be sending out product ads and marketing through emails, but you need to make sure you are only emailing those who opted and subscribed to you. Emailing people that subscribe to your emailing list is a great way to sell a product. The people subscribe for a reason, so they will most likely be interested in what you have to sell as long as it is related to what they have subscribed to. You can get people to sign up for your mailing list through your website or blog.
Number 2.
Write articles for websites. Are you good at writing? Can you write an article on a certain subject? Well, there are online jobs out there that can earn you money for doing just that. There are plenty of websites and people looking for freelance article writers for their websites or blogs. Try to build up a portfolio of your writings before taking this seriously, because the earnings may start out slow. But if you become more reputable, you will start earning bigger. Check out some current rates through freelance websites, because the earnings could vary greatly depending on the website, content, and length. There are also other jobs that are similar to this, such as copywriting, email writing, bio writing, and plenty of other professional writing gigs. Find out what you are good at, and if you can mix a couple of these together, you can earn a decent amount of money each month with just these writing gigs.
Number 1.
Drive for Uber or Lyft. Uber and Lyft are apps that have nearly replaced taxis. These apps allow users to book rides around a city. You can sign up as either a rider or a driver, and signing up as a driver can earn you a lot of cash. In fact, many people use this as a side gig because the payout is quite big. Another great thing about this app is the flexibility of the job. You can set your own hours and work only when you want to. If you become a reputable driver, you will get higher ratings and better reviews. Ratings and reviews are important in order to keep the job, so make sure to treat your riders well. This job requires your vehicle to fall under certain specifications, so check the information to make sure you can become a driver. This is another way to rack up the big bucks when you need it. The flexibility and payout make it a great way to earn your monthly income. It may even help you to pay rent while saving extra money each month. Check it out and sign up today.
Thanks for watching. While you are here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.